So here we are with the another article from your chapter number 3, that is life processes in living organism part 2, and name of the this particular article is reproduction and modern technology. Watch this particular video till the end, and if you like it, do share, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So our article is reproduction and modern technology. Many couples cannot have children due to various reasons. Now we'll see those reasons. First of all, in case of women, the reasons are irregularity in menstrual cycle, difficulty in oocyte production. Oocyte means female egg cell. Obstacles in the oviduct. Difficulties in implantation in uterus, and many other reasons are there in case of woman. Whereas in case of male, absence of sperms in semen, slow movement of sperms, anomalies in the sperms are the reasons responsible for not having children. But now, with the help of advanced medical techniques like IVF, surrogacy, sperm bank, and the childless couples can have child because of all these modern technologies. Now let us start one by one these modern technology. The first modern technology which we are going to study here is in vitro or in vitro. It is in vitro fertilization or IVF. So in this particular method, in this technique, this is the technique. Fertilization is brought about in the test tube itself, and then the embryo form is implanted in uterus of woman at appropriate time. Not at any time, appropriate time. IVF technique is used for having the child in case of those childless couples who have problems like less sperm count in male, obstacles in oviduct in female, etc. Next method, surrogacy. Some women have problems in implantation of embryo in uterus. So if this situation is there in woman, such woman can take the help of the modern remedial technique called as surrogacy. In this technique, oocyte is collected from the ovary of the woman having problem in the implantation in uterus. That oocyte is fertilized in test tube with the help of the sperms collected from her husband. The embryo form from such fertilization is implanted in the uterus of some other woman having normal uterus. Such a woman in whose uterus the embryo is implanted is called as surrogate mother. So that mother is called as surrogate mother. So here we are, the surrogate mother. Now the next method or the next modern technology is sperm bank or semen bank. There are various problems in sperm production as mentioned above. In case of many men, so as to have the children in case of such couples, new concept of sperm bank, it's a bank of sperm, has been introduced. This concept is similar to blood bank. Blood bank. Semen ejaculated by the desired man is collected after their thorough physical and medical checkup, and then that particular sperm from those normal men are collected in this particular bank. As per the wish of needful couple, those who are in need of such thing, oocyte of woman of the concerned couple is fertilized by IVF technique using the semen from sperm bank. Resultant embryo is implanted in the uterus of same woman, not another one. Name of the semen donor is strictly kept secret as per the law. Now we shall move towards another article, that is ट्विन्स. मराठीमध्ये ज्याला आपण जुळे असं म्हणतो. Two embryos develop simultaneously in the same uterus and thus two offsprings, म्हणजे नवीन जन्माला येणारी ती दोन बाळ, are delivered simultaneously. Such offsprings, तर अशी जी बाळ आहेत, are called as twins किंवा मराठीमध्ये ज्याला आपण जुळे म्हणतो. Many couples have twins. There are two main type of twins and they are monozygotic twins and dizygotic twins. Now let us see monozygotic twins. Monozygotic twins are formed from single embryo. Remember, these monozygotic twins are formed from single embryo during early period. That means within 8 days of zygote formation. Within 8 days of zygote formation, cells of that embryo divide into two groups. Remember, those cells of the newly formed embryo divides into two groups. Those two groups develop as two separate embryos. So those two groups will develop into two separate embryos and thus monozygotic twins are formed. Look at something about these monozygotic twins. Such twins are genetically exactly similar to each other. Due to this, such twins are exactly similar in their appearance, दिसायला अगदी सारखे दिसतात, and their gender is also same, means both will be either girls or both will be either boys. So they are similar in gender. In case of monozygotic twins, if the embryonic cells are divided into two groups 8 days after the zygote formation, not within 8 days. 8 days after the zygote formation, there is high possibility of formation of conjoined twins, means जोडलेली बाळ. So such twins are also called as, remember here, such twins are also called as, here we are, such twins are also called as, where here there is high possibility of formation of conjoined twins. मराठीमध्ये आपण जोडलेली बाळ असं म्हणतो. They are also called as Siamese twins. Such twins are born with some part of the body joined to each other. ही बाळं जन्मापासून एकमेकाला जोडलेली असतात. Some organs are common in both such twins. आणि काही अवयव सुद्धा यांचे कॉमन असतात, एकच असतात. Now in some time, occasionally, two oocytes, means two female egg cells, are released from the ovary of a woman and both oocytes are fertilized by, there are two oocytes, both oocytes are fertilized by two separate sperms. That means two separate male germs or male cell, and thus two zygotes are formed. So here two zygotes are formed. Therefore, these twins are dizygotic twins. Two embryos are formed from those two zygotes and both those embryos are separately implanted in the uterus and thus dizygotic twins are delivered after complete development. Now look at something about these dizygotic twins. Such twins are genetically different. So they are genetically different, not genetically similar. They are genetically different and maybe same or maybe different by gender. म्हणजे दोन्ही मुली असतील, दोन्ही मुलं असतील किंवा एक मुलगा आणि एक मुलगी सुद्धा असू शकेल. So here we come to the end of chapter number 3.